Here I have written the priority order of organic functional groups in IUPAC. First one is the class, formula, the corresponding suffixes and the prefixes of the organic functional groups. For carboxylic acid, which is the maximum priority order having formula COH, in suffix it will be oic acid, whereas in prefix it will be called carboxy. Carboxylic acid derivatives, for COR, that is ester, suffix will be -OAT, and when it will be in prefix it will be oxycarbonyl. For -COX, that is oil halide, that is halide derivative of carboxylic acid, it will be in prefix called halocarbonyl. For CONH2, that is amide, in suffix called, and in prefix it is called carbamoyl. For nitrile, that is CN, in suffix it will be the same nitrile, and prefix it is called cyano. For aldehydes, that is CHO, in suffix it is called al, and in prefix it will be formyl. For ketones, that is C double bonded O, in suffix it will be -one on, and in prefix that will be oxo. For alcohols, -OH, in suffix it will be -OL, and in prefix it will be hydroxy. For thiols, -SH, in suffix it will be thiol the same, and in prefix it will be called mercapto. For amines, that is -NH2, in suffix it will be called amine, and in prefix it is called amino. For alkenes, double bonded character, in suffix it will be called ene, in, and in prefix it is called alkenyl. For alkynes, that is C double bond triple bonded C, in suffix it is called yne, and in prefix it is called alkynyl.